raining, raining, raining. It's been a minute. Hi. Hi. I'm from exam. And yeah, as I was coming out of the class, I found this paper that yeah, you can see it after this clip because, yeah, that student was so distressed. Oh, yeah. Aliona Nunge. Anyways, so what's new? Let me see. Oh, yeah. The school gates, no, the library what fence has fallen, and it did fall. It did fail. It did fall. It did fall. It's been a couple of days now, so now I have time. So I'm going to do a video as I'm walking by. Yeah, I've been really longing to get into that library. I just love the fact that it's closer to the gate. Yeah, and it looks okay. I love this of the library because it's also small, and yeah, one can make their way through without much hassle because hiyo ingine nayo kama haina elevator, doom. So that is that. Let me see. Nothing else really. I wanted to pass by the dean's office because the classes are just as they usually look, end of semester. So yeah, we headed to the gate, but do I really want to go to the gate right now because it's gonna be like a whole 45 minutes of waiting. Is there anything else? I can pass by the library, just read, but I have borrowed a book. So are there people you want to say hi to now? Okay, to the gate. If you catch a four, not really. I have no business there. What else? There's nothing really I could do here. I could just go chill by the gate and wait for the van. Yeah. As we're doing the exam, I've just seen a monkey jump from what is that? The wall to the other. And I remembered during exam they tried to like make their way into class. So of course the lady seated by the window screamed. I mean, what else can you do? I don't know whether you can see it, but there's one. Let me try and switch, then zoom. Okay, I have seen where it is. There it is. There. It's like a small monkey. It's not the baboon kind. But the ones that try to make their way into class were the baboon kind. So you can imagine that doesn't look as intimidating. But hey, those ones. These shoes that I really didn't like. Okay, because I honestly didn't think I liked them until I wore them, and they look kind of okay. So flip the camera, see the shoes. Can't wait. There's a library. Who's this? Let me not film the man. There it goes. Look at that, man. Pretty. It looks nice. It looks really nice. Okay, so look at that library. Okay, honestly, if a library had an elevator, I honestly like you'd have to like go up the ramp, all those many floors. There's a car. So I will honestly tell you, amongst the things I like about multimedia is the fact that there is tarmac. Yes, tarmac is really important. It is really important because even now as Kenyans, mimi nimekula. So the fact that MMU has tarmac all the way from some place doesn't have tarmac and doesn't have grass per se. So look at that, MMU bana. Hii library tunaanza kutumia lini? Tunaanza kutumia lini? Lakini tunatumia kama iko na elevator juu. Kama haina elevator, we are making it to the second floor, not past. Na kama ina elevator, kwa nini ina elevator? Are you serious? Are you serious? But it's such a beauty, man. I love it. Looks nice. Unaona venye inakaa vizuri? Yeah. Can't wait to start using it. Can't wait. So tutoke shule saizi ni 4:20, so I'm thinking I'm gonna be here for a whole 20 or 30 minutes. Let's say hi to the guys who usually stay by the gate. Oh, not by the gate, by the road, wakiingiza watu kwa gari. Then tungoje gari tupige maraundi turudi tuendelee na maisha. Yeah. Out the gate now. Another update. My technology has been failing bana. It's like this is the season wameamua. They don't want me to prosper. Computer. Okay, that was like inflicted because I know I shouldn't have like liquid around the computer. But I don't know. Imagine magikia keyboard, so that was that. So keyboard nayo haiwork, computer ina hang, simu screen ndio hiyo, charger imeharibika, haicharge. Niko noma. But as we wait for the vehicle, what can we do, man? Let's chat. Chat about what? Let's see. The fact that semester imeisha, and I can literally count the number of times I've been to certain classes. How is it we're having like a single class in a week, honestly speaking? And honestly, for me that isn't as effective because kusema ukweli tumekuja kuona case studies kwa mtihani. Yes, for some units. For others, like the one we have like, with this progressive lecturer that I will not mention, but I know if you watch the other videos, you've heard me mention her car. Yes, it's a she. She's driving Volkswagen. Nice one. Lighting iko his side. So watu wanatoka shule ndio uko nyuma. And believe you me, the school has never been as populated ever since I started like attending lessons. Yeah. Hii shule itakuanga na watu basi mtani unashangaa watu wanatokanga wapi. Watu wanatokanga wapi saa mtihani siku nyao kwangi hizo siku zingine weekdays. And why do they miss classes? Because if they're not coming to school, of course they're missing classes. So why? Yeah? Why? That is a question the administration has failed to answer, yet they're complaining people are cheating in examinations. Nothing to smile about, but that is that. So, what would we do? You guys are looking at me funny. Bah. Najua mkujangi shule leo ndo mmetokea. Naweza siku zote tangu Monday tumekuwa na exams ndio watu wanaanza kucha. So, yeah. Akiona venye my phone camera is blurry. Technology doesn't want me to prosper, but I will. I shall, because I've got the braces with me. Nothing you can do about that. Angalia tu. You see when it cracks bana. And then it's hanging. Well, good thing it's got the visuals and the screen is working fine. Angelo, the color doesn't change like from RGB to another color. That's a plus, and I'm grateful for that. Ile besti yangu, sisi mabesti, but hiyo ni besti yangu. Wapali hivyo tunakuanga na yeye hapo hivi nikingoja gari wao ananipigisha story. Not every day. Do not condone every day. Come on. But yeah, so niyo. another madam from the administration person. Then I remembered she was telling us about this club, the Presidential Award Club. Yeah, that's to commence the next academic year from September. I want to be part of that club. I want to be part of that club. I want to be part of the Presidential Club, Presidential Awards Club. So I will follow up on that, by the way. I will follow up on that because I need to have like the 411 on yeah, everything, because yeah, info is important. Info is important. Hana tu venye watu ni wengi shule. Hii ni uongo. Kwa hizo video zingine zote, and we leave school at about just the same time. It's usually not as populated.